Hey there traders, welcome back to another Traders Network Club video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how I scalp the trends in the market using RSIs. And I use 3 RSIs to find the breakpoints of when to get in, when to get out. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you in this video, so stick right through it and let's get right to it. All right, welcome back. So I'm looking at the 50-minute time frame. You can use whatever time frame you want to use to scalp the market, but you guys have to understand is I'm looking for the trend. I'm really swing trading, but I'm scalping because I'm in a lower time frame and I'm getting in and getting out. Okay, so I'm looking for the uptrends and the downtrends, and I'm going to use 3 EMAs to find those breaking points to get into, to enter the market and to exit the market. Now, if you guys don't have these EMAs, go ahead and type in moving average, and you'll go ahead and see it pop up, moving average exponential. Go ahead and click that 3 times. You're gonna need 3 of them, and you'll see that I have them all set up. Whatever color you want for each one is up to you, but the inputs are important because I have one at 100 length, and the 100 length is at gold. Then I have one at 50 length. The 50 length is blue, and the last one is a 25 length. The 25 length is at white. So there are my 3 EMAs on the chart. Now what we're looking for is we're looking for trends. The 125 EMAs need to cross to go ahead and find that breaking point to enter that trend. The 100 EMA needs to be at the top when selling, and then the 25, which is the white, that needs to be at the bottom. So there it is, vice versa for buying. When buying, you need the gold EMA, which is the 100 EMA, to be at the bottom, and the 25 EMA to be at the top when buying. And we're looking for the crosses, okay, when they cross. So there it is right there. I'm gonna keep that there so you guys can see. All right, so there it is. So we're looking for the white and the gold, the EMAs to break through. And as you can see, we have the white EMA breakthrough here. It's at the bottom, gold's at the top. So we got the 100 at the top, the 25 at the bottom. 25 is at the bottom with the gold at the top. We're looking to go ahead and sell, okay? So because we got this breakthrough, this is gonna be our sell. Right when price went and broke through with the gold at the top with a 10 pip stop loss, and we would have gone ahead and target till price. Now the exit strategy is looking for the reversal when the 100 and the 25 EMA cross again, okay? And you can see they cross right here. So that would have been our exit right there, okay, with a 2.3 risk to reward ratio. With price above, so we got the gold at the bottom, the white at the top, so that looking for a buy. So we're gonna go ahead and put a long position right when the 25 EMA crossed the 100 EMA, and with a 10 pip stop loss, we go ahead and we target. And our exit strategy is looking for the EMAs to cross again, which you can see the 125 EMA cross right in the zone, which would have gave us about a 4 to risk reward ratio. Okay, so far it's looking good with our profits, and we're gonna keep moving. So with that being said, we have the gold and the white cross. We got the 100 EMA at the top. Okay, so 100 EMA at the top, and that means with the 100 EMA at the top, the 25 at the bottom, we're looking to sell. Now this could be a loss right here. This could be our first loss, so we would have gone ahead and sell right when they cross about there with the 10 pip stop loss. And as you can see, price did cross back right here, so this was actually not a loss, but this was a very short gain, as we made about a 0.3 risk to reward ratio, which is fine. We'll take those little short gains, but as we keep moving, yeah, we get another movement of price above our EMAs, and we do have the white line crossing above and the 100 EMA crossing below. Okay, so when we have the white on top, the gold at the bottom, we're looking to go ahead and buy right about here with a 10 pip stop loss. And we would have gone ahead and target till we have our exit point where they cross again, which I believe they don't cross till They don't cross right here. We don't see no crosses. Seems like they touch, but no cross. And they do cross right in this zone right here. Okay, so that would have been when we got out of the trade, and it looks like that was about a 12.6 risk to reward ratio. You guys cannot beat that. So that would have been great profits. So far, we're in great profits. We can even show you a couple more. So we do have another cross with the white EMA, which is the 25 EMA crossing below and the 100 EMA crossing above. Whenever the 100 EMA is above and the 25 is below, we are selling. So we're going to go ahead and sell. And they do cross right about here with the 10 pip stop loss. And however you want to risk your money, it's up to you how you want to set your stop loss. 10 to 20 pip stop loss has been pretty much what I do. It works pretty well. And then you can go ahead and target, and our exit is going to be when they cross again. And you can see they do cross. They don't actually cross here. As you can see, they touch. They don't cross until we get a cross, which is about right here. And look at this, guys. We would have made some good money right there as they cross right about here. We would have took out our 14.78 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so once again, we are in some big money just in a short period of time. And this is how you guys go ahead and scalp the market, looking for these trends. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's a pretty simple strategy. A lot of traders do use this strategy and how they implement the EMAs. I use a lot of different strategies that kind of implement with this, with supply and demand, divergence. If you guys want to learn more about that, go ahead and join my Story Pro bundle on my website and become a VIP member. As you guys can see, we are doing amazing in our VIP room. We started only 4 months ago in our VIP room, and we've done around 10 to 15%. Last month we did 17, our all-time high in the last 4 months. You can already see in August we're already above 10%, and we're not even at the end of the month. And you also get access in our VIP room. You get access to all of our personal signals as well. So if you want some other trading signals that are doing fantastic, you'll have all the signals to these trades as well that are doing around 20% average monthly returns. So if you want to become a VIP member, go ahead and sign up. It's in the description below, and you guys promise will not regret it. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.